Welcome, viewers, and introduce the topic of the video. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy eating with the top 20 foods that are not only delicious, but also free of carbs and sugar. Number 1. Avocado. Rich in healthy fats, fiber, and various nutrients. Mention its versatility in salads, smoothies, or simply sliced. Number 2. Spinach. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Ideal for salads, sautés, or as a side dish. Number 3. Broccoli. Low in carbs, high in fiber, and loaded with vitamins. Discuss various cooking methods and its health benefits. Number 4. Cauliflower. A versatile substitute for high-carb ingredients. Share recipes like cauliflower rice or pizza crust. Number 5. Zucchini. Low in carbs, high in water content. Explore spiralizing for zucchini noodles. Number 6. Cucumber. Refreshing and low-calorie option. Perfect for salads, snacks, or infused water. Number 7. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Low in carbs, high in antioxidants. Mention their sweetness without added sugars. Number 8. Tomatoes. Low in carbs, rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Discuss their culinary uses and health benefits. Number 9. Mushrooms. Low in carbs, high in nutrients. Explore different types and cooking methods. Number 10. Eggs. A complete protein source with no carbs. Share creative egg-based recipes. Number 11. Chicken. A lean protein option. Discuss various cuts and cooking techniques. Number 12. Fish, salmon, tuna. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Highlight their health benefits for heart health. Number 13. Beef. Opt for lean cuts. Discuss the importance of moderation. Number 14. Cheese. Low in carbs, high in fat and protein. Explore different types and pairing suggestions. Number 15. Butter and olive oil. Healthy fats with no carbs. Discuss their role in a low-carb diet. Number 16. Nuts, almonds, walnuts. Nutrient-dense snacks. Emphasize portion control due to calorie density. Number 17. Seeds, chia, flaxseed. High in fiber and healthy fats. Share ways to incorporate them into meals. Number 18. Green tea, a zero-calorie beverage with health benefits. Discuss its antioxidant properties. Number 19. Coffee. Black coffee without additives is carb-free. Mention its potential health benefits. Number 20. Water, the ultimate carb and sugar-free beverage. Stress the importance of staying hydrated. Summarize the key points and encourage viewers to explore these foods for a healthier, low-carb lifestyle.